TIA Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo. Today I'm going to show you a unboxing about my cordless AirPods, and it is right here. I need it really bad now because I'm doing a lot of shorts videos, and also so I don't have to use this one right here, and it's really hard without it, especially when I'm using my iPad, and it's really hard to carry it around. But anyway, so let me open this up and show you, okay? Here's an instruction. Oh my gosh, it's so little naman. Okay, anyway, so it's right here. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Okay, there it is. So this is actually a charging part, and here's the code for it. Here's the cord. So plug it into this one right here. Wow, I wish it would fit on my other. Oh, it will fit on my iPhone. So there you go, and then plug this in to charge it. I can't believe I waited this long and not opened it a long time ago. So I need to charge it first before it starts working, and then close that up. So I forgot to show you this one right here. I forgot that when it's inside, it's got it's a magnet, so it'll never drop. I just noticed that it won't drop because it's got magnet in there. But the other thing that very easy to remember is that you would never drop this, because once you drop this, it's like it's gonna be gone. You would never notice it either that you dropped it. You thinking that it's in your ear, but anyway, so that's what it looks like right here. Okay, so I put one in my ear right here. You can't even feel it that it's in there, so it's very easy probably to drop it, but just be very careful with it. That if it's facing you, this one right here is on the left, and this one is on the right. Just little tips right there. Otherwise, it won't fit right if you put it in the wrong ear. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you for your support always. There we go. Thank you guys. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.